Since I'm about to remodel one of my bathrooms, I went to a local tile shop to find out what's trending in 2019 for bathroom designs, specifically with respect to the tiles. What types of tiles, tile colors, tile shapes, textures, and sizes are hot right now, and tile layout designs. In other words, how are these being put together to decorate the bathrooms and shower walls? So I'm going to show a bunch of vignettes or little models of bathrooms that I had found in the store. I took photos of some and videos of others, and many of these show really beautiful, elaborate workmanship, but they're not really representative of what you'll see in many homes, I don't think. Because these were from a tile shop, there is an overabundance of tile work in each of the models, but I think they do really well to serve as design inspirations. Now, what I'm noticing as the latest design trend for shower tile work is having a rectangular panel of framed accent tiles behind the shower head and the faucet. So yeah, you'll see this feature in the vast majority of the shower models. Actually, I would say almost every shower vignette in the store had this feature, and it seems like gone from the scene are those horizontal stripes of accent tiles along the walls of the shower, which were the dominant design feature a few years ago. They seem to be going out of trend and is somewhat dated looking now. Yeah, another trend I noticed is that nickel finish, which was all the rage for the past decade or so, seems to be on its way out, and chrome seems to be making a comeback. And so I saw a lot of beautiful faucets and shower heads in chrome finish, but of course they tended to have a very sleek, lines, and they look very modern. And a couple of the models had faucets and shower heads with brushed gold finish, which just looked really beautiful. This is interesting how these niches are finished. Pretty. This is for the shampoo, and this is for the soap. I really like the color of this vanity. This looks a lot bluer on my laptop. It's a little bit more gray and slate color when you look at it in person. I like the gray tiles in the shower, but I'm wondering if it might be too dark for my bathroom. Like this shower, the color is more my style, except this wouldn't do for the bathroom that I'm remodeling because it's in a waterfront condo, so I want it to have a more beachy or coastal feel. So I'm looking for something that's more blue or gray. There's nothing special about this shower. It's just got plain subway tiles. But what's kind of interesting is the floor. This is kind of pretty and decorative. Since the vanity gray is similar to what I purchased for my bathroom, I'm gonna try to see if I can use these colors. So the subway tiles are not white, but they're kind of off-white gray color. And then for these accent tiles, they are these glass tiles with wood print in the background. And then this is the niche. And then the shower floor, actually the bathroom floor, are made of these tiles that have gray, they look like gray wood grained tiles that look like wood that's been stained to be gray. And the shower floor has the same texture but different shape. I actually like this color gray too. These look like real stones, but I think I can find cheaper tiles that look similar. I think this is not too dark and might just work for the interior of my shower. This is the niche. Thinking that even though this has gold taupe colors blended into the tiles, something like this color could work as long as you have gray accent tiles. This actually might be the closest to what I'm looking for, even though the vanity or the shelving underneath the sink is wood, and the tiles are gray. I'm thinking maybe I could do reverse. So I'll have a vanity that's gray, and have the interior of the shower more taupey. But I think if I use these accent tiles, it might be able to bring the two together, bring the two colors together, because these accent tiles have gray and taupe and beige and cream all mixed in it. So maybe I should get these accent tiles. Then I can work with just beige or cream color tiles inside the shower, and it will still look matched to my gray vanity. This might actually work really well. These are actually kind of neat tiles. Each tile has some sort of print on it. Not sure if it's worth it though. I mean, from far away, I think it just looks kind of taupey grayish tile. So this niche is, the size of this niche is 24 by 14. So I think actually, if I had a niche that was 24 by 16 or 20 by 16, it should work fine. These tiles are really clean looking, and I think the color is almost perfect for what I'm looking for. But the accent tiles are not going to work because they match this vanity, and this vanity is too light. The gray is my gray where my vanity is a lot darker and bluer than this. I think these accent tiles are also really pretty. It's taupe, dark brown, and actually stainless steel. This texture, like it's been scratched or rubbed with sandpaper. So I think what I'm noticing is a trend is before the decorative trend was for there to be like a horizontal line or strip of accent tiles, but now I don't see any of that really. It's all like accent tiles that are right where the shower head and the faucets are as some sort of a decorative element, but I don't really see strips of accent tiles just horizontally, like one strip or two strips. Actually, this one has one, but this is actually the exception. Most of them are all just you just have decorative accent tiles right where the behind the shower head and the faucet and inside the niche or niche. So in this vignette, you don't see the accent tiles going horizontally, but you see one going vertically, although you don't have one behind the shower head and faucet. But maybe this is what I should try to mimic in my shower remodel, because the wall where there's the shower head and faucet in my shower is not going to be visible when you're standing in front of it. It's actually kind of tucked away, and so I can have a niche where that's right behind the glass shower door, and then have these decorative tiles, accent tiles, going up and down vertically. Maybe that's what I should do to give it some interest. I really like these tiles. I think they make the inside of the shower so fun. Except I won't be able to use something like this because each of the tiles are 40 by, let's see, shower wall is 40 by 120. And so just the scale of it, these tiles would not fit in my tiny shower. You need a pretty big shower because the entire wall is just a single tile, the width of a single tile. So this is a very long tile. Okay, so the size of this niche is 3 24 by 14. So I think maybe I should go with something like this, 24 by 14 or 20 by 14, and then have the accent tiles going up above it and below it like a waterfall.